You need to cut that hair of yours.
Batman. Damn.
What?
Yeah, what? Yeah, you already missed it.
Yeah, it's like his hair like overrides his hairline. Like it just curls all over.
My hair doesn't go straight up.
No.
No, you understand? Like your hairline is like back here and it curls over it.
Brandon, you have a zero sign on the top of your head. Yo. Why are you video recording?
We're at Subway's, guys.
That old dusty trail. So when you can man, no?
Yeah, I don't know how to zoom in.
Why you want to so we can ride the bicycle? Huh?
Toys R Us? You want to do it?
So we can ride the bicycle.
Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. So you guys want to go to Toys R Us?
You want to hit a 30 one?